So, your clinic looks like this by 10 a.m.? Patients calling, leads forgotten, WhatsApp overflowing. Been there, let's fix that. One tool for leads, appointments, consults, campaigns, everything in one place. New lead, no chasing. Tap, assign, confirm, and we even remember birthdays too. Want them to come back? Schedule a reminder, send a health tip, drop in a festive message automatically. And when they can't visit, just click Teleconsult. No extra tools, no juggling links. Oh, and unlike those platforms with surprise charges, our pricing's transparent, flat, and made for real doctors. Track what's working, spot what's not. Footfall, revenue, retention. All right here at your fingertips. So, ready to stop patching problems and start running like a pro? Let's go!